everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 647 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I can't even really believe it, but I found another new brand of makeup products at my Dollar Tree. So this is the brand Ioni. I don't even know if that's how it's pronounced, but these are some 3D faux mink lashes. And my Dollar Tree had a few different versions of lashes from this brand, Ioni Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand before, but if you have, I would love to know in the comments down below if you've tried any of their products, where you've seen them before. It's a cruelty-free and vegan brand. So I picked these up in Wispy 2. It says Wispy Crisscross Cat Eye. And they had some really pretty looking lashes. So it was actually hard for me to choose which pair to get. I've tried out some Dollar Tree lashes before. And one time I tried out some LA Colors lashes that I loved. But other than that, I haven't really been that impressed with dollar store lashes. But I definitely think you can find good lashes for $1. But let me show you what these look like. So I'm loving the length and the wispiness and how there's layers to these lashes. The only thing that I don't love is that thick band. But this actually has some really helpful instructions on the back. It says, carefully remove the eyelashes with tweezers, compare the false eyelashes with your eyeline length. And comparing the lashes to your lash line and seeing if you have to trim any is such an important step. So I'm glad that they called that out on the packaging. So here I picked up one of the lashes, and you know which lash goes on which eye because if you face the packaging towards the way your eyelashes go, then this one here goes onto this eye, this eye. But so these are very soft with that faux mink, but let's see if I have to trim any. Also, I went ahead and only lined one of my eyes. Because of this thick band, I have a feeling I'm going to prefer the lashes with eyeliner, but just so we can get a full review, I only did that for one of my eyes. But the liner that I used is one of my all-time favorites. This is from Folklore. It's the Superfine Liquid Eyeliner. So if you want to see my review on that eyeliner, I will have that linked down below. But it's just so good, and I'm not great at eyeliner, but that eyeliner there makes it so easy. Oh wow. I actually am gonna have to trim off quite a bit of these lashes. Almost like a centimeter. And I don't always have to trim lashes. And so always trim from the outside of the lash. Like trim from the outer corner where the lashes get a little bit longer. The next step is to apply lash glue. These lashes did not come with any lash glue, so I'm just using my Kiss Lash Couture Strip Adhesive, and this is not that expensive. I will link my review on this lash glue down below as well if you want to see that and know what lash glue I'm using. This is the lash glue that I always use. And then it says, hold the eyelashes on the root of your natural lashes with light pressure. And then the last step on the packaging here, which I really like, is it says, if necessary, apply eyeshadow or eyeliner to make your eyeline look more natural. And that's also a really good tip that I'm glad they included. I don't love thick lash bands like this because I just find that they look very unnatural and noticeable on the eyes rather than those invisible bands, which I love. And it can also be harder to apply a thick lash band like this because it can be stiffer, and then if you apply one end, then the other end doesn't stay down. But I'm actually not having much of a problem with that. The band does seem to be pretty flexible and comfortable. It's not like poking my eye or anything. Oh my gosh, these are really pretty. Like I really like the shape of these lashes and the length. I really like lashes that get longer towards the outside of the eye. Wow, these are pretty. They're dramatic. Such a difference a lash makes. But that band does not look good in my opinion. So let's see how the lashes are with eyeliner. Okay, so I just trimmed a little bit of this lash as well and applied my lash glue. All right, so not the easiest lashes to apply, but definitely not the hardest. My eyes look kind of funny because I have eyeliner on one eye and not the other. But I am pretty impressed by these lashes. For $1, they definitely seem like really nice quality. That faux mink feels really nice and it looks really pretty and enhancing on the eyes. The only thing that would make these perfect is if it didn't have such a thick band, because I feel like that just makes it so obvious that these are false lashes. But wow, I feel pretty and glamorous in these. So if you're looking for some nice false eyelashes, I would say give these a try, but make sure to wear eyeliner underneath so that you can hide that band. The band is still noticeable because it really is such a big, thick band, but it definitely looks better with eyeliner, but still not completely hidden. So if you're looking for a completely hidden lash, this is not the lash for you. I'm gonna keep an eye out because maybe this Ioni brand will come out with some invisible band lashes at my Dollar Tree, because then those would be like my perfect lashes, because these really do feel nice. Like the hairs feel so much nicer than any of the other dollar store lashes I've tried out. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.